Hello, everyone. How are we doing? I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Hello, Munyading. Hello, Iliada. Hello, Nick. Hello, Po. How is everyone doing? How is everyone? Oh, yes, coconut water, the best thing in the world. I don't know who made this. I think it was God, but whoever made the coconut water, he did a fucking great thing for this humanity. It's so amazing. It's so nice. Let me just sort myself out. 1 second. Okay. Okay, hey Kumar. Guys, Kumar yesterday was a fucking genius. Two trades, amazingly well played, Kumar. Well done. First stream, you were better than me. I told everyone I'm going to be retiring soon. And well, that's the plan. That's the plan. I'm going to be retiring soon, guys. I'm done. I'm done trying to trade. I'm done trying to outsmart this market. Well, all right, let's begin. Oh, fuck, life is so short and I'm so fucking lazy. But let's go. So we started off the rags with riches. Oh, sorry, rags to riches. Rag basically being Kumar, riches being ZA. So Kumar to ZA contest yesterday, rags to riches. And it was amazing first day of trading. We basically have accumulated what? Around 1.9K overall in profits. That's 33%. That's fucking 33% to the profit target in a fucking day. And people think they can trade. Fuck you. Yes, people can clear it in one trade, I agree, but we traded properly. We took decent risk. We did not overexpose ourselves to the market at any single point, and we are sitting at around $2,000 in profit in a matter of 24 fucking hours. Now, my nice producer has basically put the QR code to join the Discord at the top. He's a nice guy. He's still learning, but he'll be fine. Do join the Discord group if you are not there. It's free of cost. There's no hidden cost associated in our Discord group until and unless you want to sign up for the mentorship. That's the only time you pay me money. That might change soon, but if you are there now, it will still stay the same for you. So join the fucking Discord. So let's move on. Let's move on to the smart things that we do. Where are we in the market? Oh yeah, sorry, I was doing the marketing shit before that. So the marketing shit first. We can't do the smart thing before we have fucking sold something. So rags to riches has been going well. We have done 2K. Aim is to basically get funded, get a payout, and every trade associated will either be shared on my YouTube, that is when I YouTube, not Kumar, me the Singh, or on my Discord channel. Each and every trade has been shared there, apart from one. Sorry about that. It went too quick. I took the trade on 15 seconds time frame. It went very quickly. By the time I shared, it would have basically hit TP. So that was around $200. So that's not a big deal. But overall, every trade will be shared over there. So that's a good place for you guys to come to kind of see what we are doing, get used to it. We are fun. Don't worry. We are not bad people. We like to help others. But yes, that's about it of me blabbering about the marketing shit. Let's go and see where we are. So previous day high is gone. So market is currently looking decent. I'm not going to lie. It is looking decent because it is trying to show strength above previous day high. I was expecting previous day high to be taken when I took the last trade that I took. The market just reversed from London high, which is fine. We took the 1 hour. But then I had another opportunity, but I was streaming in like 20 minutes. So I was like, fuck this shit. I'll just enter when we stream if I get something. So that's another story altogether. But overall, it's starting to look bullish. From my morning brief, I felt that the market was inconclusive at that moment, but it's starting to look a little bullish now. 4 hourly is looking beautiful. We will do a change in state of delivery the moment we close this candle here. So that's already done. Now it's all about when the market opens, do we accelerate above the previous day high or we get rejected? So this high specifically is going to play a very, very key role in where we are in the market and how the market behaves. We had a beautiful bounce out of this fair value gap, and the market has shown strength above it, right? So what do we get from here? The only thing that it's quite clear is how is the market reacting to bullish order flow, right? Once the market starts to react to bullish order flow, you can be rest assured that the day could be, keep going higher. How high? Well, we do not know yet. We will have to find out how high this market wants to go. but surely we will. So 4 hourly is looking decent. Change in state of delivery done. We are above the previous day high. We are trading in a very, very beautiful place. Now it's all about the U-turn. If the market takes a U-turn at open, I would love to take a shot to these liquidity levels, right? That's a good move overall, 200 points. I'll be happy to take that. If the market sustains this high and starts showing strength above previous day high, I'll be happy to take along, but the targeting will basically most likely come from 1 hourly or 15 minutes time frame. So let's look at 1 hourly quickly. 1 hourly, it's a nice range being established right now from this low onto this high. I will come there. So onto this high, nice little range being created, impulse move up. I have this beautiful fair value gap, a beautiful order block. My eyes are stuck on this overlapping area. So this small area of price is where my eyes are stuck right now. So $27,859 to $27,856. If the market starts coming down, I will like to take a stab over here. Okay, I will love to take a stab over here and just put my stops underneath 825, $25, $30 stop loss, which is fine. And just let it see what it does. Because I expect it to come down from here into this area and then push higher. So let's see whether that happens or not. Now you will say, is there a trade from the top to the downside? Yes, there is a trade from the top side to the downside. And that trade is basically only and only if we start coming below the previous day high. So if we come below the previous day high, we invert this fair value gap. I will want to take a trade from here down towards that area of 860. I'll get a 2 hour for sure. So that is what my plan is as of now. Let's see how that pans out. Looking at the intraday levels, all the lows are left intact, whether it be London low, whether it be Asia low, whether it be previous day low, all the highs are taken. So market inherently is bullish. If this market starts to fall down, where can this market go? I would say, I want to see if it starts to fall down, how do we react to a London high and Asia high and two-day open? All these three are in the same zone as that 1 hourly area that we talked about. All of them are in the similar zone. So you want to really see how we react in there. So even if you take a shot from here, you would not be wanting to target anything below this area. You would want to target here and then just trail quickly. If the market flushes to previous day low, beautiful. If not, then you want to take a long to the upside again. If it comes down, there's a big if associated. Looking at the 5 minutes quickly. Okay, so 5 minutes is showing a little sign of weakness, I would say, not too much, but we have a back-to-back fair value gap on 5 minutes as well. So now we can get some targeting done. So on the upside, we could be looking at a max of 28,154. Logically, 28,000 seems like the area which we have touched. So let's see. See, at the end of the day, how you want to see the market is it's a psychological level. Round number 28,000. Markets tend to react in these areas. So a rejection is not out of the window. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. We basically play it accordingly. But if it happens, a rejection is not, something that can truly kill this market. But what I would want to see at open is a push higher, taking this liquidity with strength, and then leaving a fair value gap on the downside on the 2-minute chart. Okay, why? In that case, these three candles will basically become my order block. If we start pushing now, this becomes my order block. Price position pushes up, comes down below this. I take a short position from here somewhere, put my stops above wherever it was, and then just target that 25,850 area, 2.6, 2.7 hour, whatever I get. So that is my overall plan. Bye bye. Take care. It was really good talking to you. Enjoy your rest of the day. If people start leaving, I'm going to cry. If you want to see me cry, then fucking leave. Not really. So any questions, by the way, any questions from anyone, please feel free to ask them. I have a question from, not a question to be honest, a statement from Nick telling me that I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So he's saying back-to-back fair value gaps on 15 minutes from Friday can give us some targets. Well, yes, it can, but these two back-to-back fair value gaps on the 5 minutes are giving us better targets right now, Nick. I see. That's how I see it. But let's see what Nick is talking about. See, I really don't want to mess with Nick. He has now officially got a payout. So he's at the same level as me. So I respect him. Nick, it's already achieved the target. It's already achieved, bro. What the fuck? But that's a good thing, to be honest, because if it has achieved the target and there's a reversal, then that's good. Good for us. All right. So we have 23 people watching today, and only Nick knows what the fuck is going on in this market, and Moonyarding is just still doing ha 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 he he. Come on, Moonyarding. I expect more from you, brother. Come on, you Spurs. By the way, Spurs won, man. I would have loved them to be relegated. Oh fuck, Nick, I missed it. How are you feeling, brother? Producer, can we put a comment in there and say Liverpool lost to Manchester United 3-2, and the 2 goals was basically like a parting gift to Arne Slot from us, before he gets relegated, before he gets sacked. So you're like, yeah, take 2 goals, be happy, enjoy your time, bald man. So Nick, don't cry. I still love you the same way I used to do. It's just your team is shit, brother. It's okay. The moment you want to change to United, you're not at all welcome. You can stay in Liverpool. All right, that's enough. That's enough of me killing my poor Mehdi. But yeah, let's go. So nice little candle. See, now this is the place where a lot of people, and I'm quite sure a lot of you guys watching would get a little bit, taggy. Yeah, like, oh shit, it's running higher. Oh, change in state of delivery. Oh, I should basically take a trade here. Yes, I'm getting the same feeling, but at times you just need to take a breath, a deep one if possible, and just relax and let it go and just say that it's okay. I'm going to give it some more time. I'm going to let the market open. I'm going to let the market show me its hand. Worst thing that can happen if you keep watching it is that you don't get a trade. Best thing that can happen if you keep watching it, you might get a trade on the other side or on the same side after a minute of open or 2 minutes of open. So relax, breathe in, breathe out, and let it all go. These are the moments that you want to be, calm about. You don't want to let the market come to you instead of you trying to go towards the market, because the most of the time when you go towards the market, well, there's a cost associated. It's either you pay me in mentorship cost or you pay to the market in losers. It's up to you. You choose what you prefer more. Pay me and let me teach you, or just let some guy sitting in a fucking garage take your money and run away. So good rush up. This is what I was expecting initial open. Now I want to see how do we react here. So the 2-minute order block is in. It's not here anymore. It's over here. So this is the 2-minute order block that I'm looking at now. So let's see how the market reacts on the above these highs. It's going to be quite critical, and I'll not be surprised if this market pushes to 200% right over here. Quite feasible. It can happen. And it's just that we just let it do its thing in the first couple of minutes. We just let it enjoy its time at all-time highs before we fucking short it to 27,850 area, right? So we just let it do its thing. It's okay, guys. It's some poor guy is making money. Let him make some money before we rinse him. All right. By the way, if you have any questions, guys, please put them in the chat. So 27,875 looks good for me for a long. 875. Why not? Nice liquidity. I don't know. I'm not longing until 850. You can take those $25. Put your SL as like $60. Maybe not. So beautiful looking candle. I want to take a stab, but I just want to wait. Just wait. No, saying no, don't take a stab. Wait. Just breathe. I have to remind myself of the same things that I tell you guys. Trust me. Who the fuck is this? Damn it. This was the order block. Was I looking at 5-minute order block? No. Yeah, 3-minute maybe. What the fuck? Did the chart change or what? This is the order block. Fuck, this order block has taken both sides of the market. Well, it's okay. It is what it is. We wait. We let the market come to us. We breathe in, we breathe out. We keep doing the same thing that we have been doing for a while now. Our entry will be a closure below this. Our stop loss will be here if we enter on the short. On the long side, I have no fucking clue yet. What do we do? Sarah is saying too. Me too. Nice push. I like push. Push. Pull. You know, when I do gymming, it's more like push, pull legs and all that shit. So whenever I see push, I'm like, oh, push. And I hate push days. I mean, I hate leg days as well. So far, the OB is good. Yeah, it looks good. But I don't know. I mean, honestly, Po, I really don't know. Longs are not convincing. I don't know. I mean, it looks good. I mean, look at the way it reacted after this. It's just that where do you put your stops? Like, even if you go long, right? Where do I put my stops? Under this? I think that will be tagged. Maybe, maybe not. I would rather have it take this previous, that 200% in reverse. 1 minute. Yeah, nothing fancy. Not yet. Okay, cool. After the retest. I'll take it. Yeah, let's see. I would rather wait. I mean, as I said earlier, right? What's the worst that can happen? You don't get a trade. That's the worst. I want to see what we do here. We do have a fair value gap now, kind of. So if you are to go long, let's say here, stops under this, targeting this 250% area. This is the sort of trade you'll be looking at. You'll be tagged in a matter of 30 seconds. Okay, why not? Let's try this. Let's try this. So this for 2 hour, okay? I'm gonna enter this on a very small position. So 3 contracts only. Okay, so $150 loss overall, and 96. Has it taken this? Yes. 3 contracts. Okay, buy. Don't buy limit. Okay, it's filled. Thank God. So I've entered a small position for 2 hour. Let's see. Because if it goes up, fine. If not, then we'll basically lose what, $150. That's fine. We are already in profit, so why not? Hello, Danny. So let's see how we react now. What you want to see here is if it's really bullish and it wants to go to that 200% area, it should just go in there in like 1 or 2 candles. It should not like wait and just do what it's doing. Like logically, you'll be like, yeah, just push up and go there. But let's see. So nice push, nice push, nice push, nice push. So we'll take a TP at 1 hour ish. Or go above. Okay, I'll take a TP here. I'll take off 1 contract. Oi, why is there this? Cancel. And I'll move my stops to break even. So if it comes down, oh, I can't move this now. Cancel order. Damn it, cancel order. This one can stay, keep order. And I'll put my stops at break even now. Okay, stops are there. So now nice little push. Okay, I'm going to move my stops to the low of this candle. So now it's in profit. Let's see if it has the guts or the balls to push to 200% and above. So if it can leave a fair value gap here, that would be great, because that's the preemptive move that I made to move my stops here. So we have this little tiny fair value gap right over here, right? So that's the move I was trying to make. Change your TP number of contracts. You are my best friend forever. But don't scold me, Po. I'm your friend. Thank you, but don't scold me, bro. I like you. You know that. You like me. We both like each other. Oh, the reasoning was Po, Danny. So Po was basically teasing me with the order block. And I saw the order block, and Po was like, oh, fuck you, I'm long and I'm making money and you're not. So I was like, okay, fine. When I saw this fair value gap, this was the first fair value gap. And the measurement is coming from the 5-minute chart back to back. What do you call that shit? Fair value gaps as well. So yeah, just went long, small long, just risked $144 on the trade. I think if I'll win, I'll make, yeah, that's stopped out on this trade. I mean, how much did we make? We were up around what? How much were we up? Does someone remember? I mean, wait, go away. I think around 200 something. So would have, no, not 200. Cannot be 200. I would have made $200 on this, not much. Yeah, around $100. So just $100 trade. But remember, $100 towards the funded challenge, and $100 multiplied by 20 more funded accounts. So yeah, this fun part of ours just paid me $2,000. See, this is why I hate the markets. Why does it have to come below the fair value gap to go up back again? You could have done that from here. Just go from here. It's okay. I don't understand. Why? Why did you do that? Fucking shit market. I think the market is racist. It knows I'm Indian. It does this because I'm Indian. These market makers don't understand we are the biggest population in the world. If we all together, combined, fucking pee on you, market maker, you'll drown. So I use something called Trade Syncer, bro. Bro, I love that word, bro. Every time I say it's bro. So I use something called Trade Syncer. So you take trades on one account and it's replicated across all your accounts, basically prop firms. So if you want to join me, if you want to, rephrase, if you want to join Trade Syncer, use my, what's that called? Affiliate code Squid Trader, so that when you sign up, I get paid $10. And with that money, I'm going to get rich one day. No, but yeah, seriously, if you really want to go, check out Trade Syncer. They had a little bit buggy past, but now they have been working very, very hard to make their platform good. And I haven't seen any bugs in the past few months, honestly. So yeah. So let's all clap for me for basically getting stopped out on the lowest point possible, on obviously in profit, and then the market going higher. So everyone, please send your clapping emojis in the comments. Otherwise, I'll feel bad. Come on. How many people are watching on YouTube? 21, 8 on Twitter. What the hell are you guys doing on Twitter? Guys, get on YouTube. It's much more fun. You can put comments in there. On Twitter, it's bloody boring. You can't put comments. You can't have a chat with me. You can't insult me for anything. Like, especially this. When I could have got a 2 hour, I'm fucking getting a $100 trade. Fuck you, market. Whatever. But yes, do get on YouTube. It's much more fun. And by the way, good trade. What good trade? Kumar, seriously, you're rubbing salt in the fucking wounds. I made $100, bro. What's good trade with that? There's no good trade. There's fucking shit trade. It's called good analysis. All it is good analysis. That's it. Not a good trade. Now that the setup has played out, would you do something different like another SL placement? Well, I don't think so. I would have placed my stop loss here where I placed it, Danny. I mean, there is no, when I'm seeing this sort of price action, I want the bullish order flow to be respected. And I didn't want price to come below this fair value gap. It came below this fair value gap. It stopped me out. That's fine. It's part of the game and I accept that. But overall, I mean, I'll not do anything different. No, it's fine. Losing and winning, they're part of the game, aren't they? So you lose some, you win some. And in this case, we won, but we didn't win too much. We won little, like small, tiny one. Oh my God. I just remembered a joke. Have you guys watched Hangover? In that, you know that, was it, who was it? He was a Thai guy or Chinese guy. I'm not sure. That comedian guy. And in that second part, you know, that Bangkok one, he was lying down in that room and his small little Willy was out. When I said little, that was the first image that came to my mind. That Thai guy lying down in his small penis. Oh my God, I'm so dirty. I need to really work on myself. I have a kid now. I can't do this shit. I just can't remember. Ah, that Chow guy, yes. That Chow guy. Man, imagine Hamza having that small. I mean, you're a doctor, Hamza. Is it even possible? Is it even feasible to have that small of a cock? I have no idea. I really want to do a research paper on this. Smallest dick in the world. I mean, I don't want to go to the other side and the biggest dick in the world because that's going to embarrass myself. So no, smallest one, at least of you all will be happy no matter what. All right. So what are we looking at? We have achieved the target. So my heart says, really? How do they make babies? They can't make babies. Okay, fuck it. I need to look at the markets, guys. Let's talk something else. My brain will stop braining and start thinking. I'm a very imaginative person. So my brain will start going in directions that I don't want it to go in. Look at the power of fair value gaps, guys. There is this tiny fair value gap here. People say these are all stupid concepts. Look at this fair value gap right here. I was literally, I swear upon God, when this candle closed, I was like, I'll take a long and just put my stops here. But then I was like, fuck man, too risky, let it be. But look at that push from that tiny fair value gap. This is what true bullish order flow, when it sets in, will do. Not just bullish, to be honest. Even bearish order flows. Once they set in, they will push like this. So let's see where we are. I think we missed we were on the boat and then we jumped off the boat and decided that we want to drown, and now we are drowning and we are just looking at the market go, and I don't see any other entry. 5-minute FVGs are better. Well, of course, like the higher time frame you go to, the better FVGs are better. Okay. So now you can do some targeting. So we have back-to-back fair value gaps on 5 minutes. So now we can do some targeting from here. What I would want to see is price try to push down into something. Into what though? Into what? Where will price want to push down to? Okay. This is good. I might get a trade soon. Nice. Come on, push higher. So it would want to come down. Did this. Now it has swept. I'll take, if this candle closes above this, like this candle or the next candle closes above this, I will take a long, but I'll just wait for it to follow through. So just wait for it to follow through and close above, otherwise there's no trade. And on the downside, I don't know. I'm not on the 15 seconds. So now that trade is out of the window. Now you want to see price close above here. I think there is last push left in the market before the real trend sets in. So I just want to give it time and freedom to kind of create that push to this 200% mark. Okay, I'll take a small stab again. Another maybe 5 contracts, so $170. So let's see. So my entry is just above. So I'm getting 2.18 hour to 200%. So I'll take that and I'll see how the market reacts here. I'll talk about why I took this trade for anyone who's interested at a later stage. So what I don't want to see is that the market comes below this, right? This is something that you don't want to see. And if you get stopped out, it's basically your winner that you had. So that's fine. I think it's gonna stop us out. So I didn't want to see market come below this. This is not something that I wanted, but let's see. Oh, it's gonna stop us out and then run up. Fuck you, market. Again. It's okay. If it stops us out, it stops us out. That's life. I mean, I've been, left alone by a lot of girls as well in the past. I'm used to betrayal. But that's fine. Oh, cute. So let's see whether it pushes towards that area. If not, then I'll move my stops to over here and just, reduce my risk. Because it's a scalp and I can't take a TP right here. I'll take 2R, otherwise there's nothing. So you just let it go. Isn't it better to put SL under the FEG body on the left? There. You can, but you'll not get 2R then. You'll get 1 point something R. So I want my 2R. So, and this was like the place where I would not want market to come. If it comes there, then, well, I mean, if it comes there, then it's stopping me out for sure. So, yeah. So let's see. I'm liking the reaction. What I want to see now is another push higher, because if you get rejected from this area, then you are stopping me out for sure. There's like, no matter where I move my SL, you can't get rejected from here. So please don't get rejected from here. So just push, don't get rejected. I beg you. On your mother's life, don't get rejected. Just push higher, you fucking idiot. Okay, I'm gonna take a TP here. Take off 2 contracts. Oh shit, fuck. I bought 2 more. Sell, please. Oh, fuck me. Why did I do that? And I'm gonna move this higher to this place. Or I'll just close it manually. I basically fucked up. But that's fine. It's part of the game. So this goes away. Cancel. And over here, I'm gonna place a 3 contract. Yeah, over here. Stop, sell. Okay, good. And then this one goes away over here. Buy sell 3 limit. Sell. Okay, cool. This is kind of tough. It is tough. It's life. You get used to it. Life is tough. So I think I would have made some money on this. I don't know. I'll have to check later. Because I basically messed up with 2 more contracts which were added. I'm not sure whether they closed in profit or loss. But we'll get to know pretty soon. Let's see. Yeah, profit. So that's fine. My hands are shaking. Oh, really? Do you really think my hands are shaking while executing? So stopped out on this. Small winner. I'm happy. Overall, we made around 1 hour today. So while the market was deciding where it wants to go, and while we were getting fucked and we lost 1 hour, we made 1 hour in this small move up. And look at the stop loss placement, you Popo, you panda. Look at the stop loss placement. Look at it. Look at it and smile now. Come on, give me that smile. Give me that your green one that you use, the green smiley face that you use most of the time. Give me, show me that face. Come on, Po, I'm waiting. Until you do that, I'm not going to speak another thing about what trade is coming up in my head now. Until you send that emoji, Po, no trade for anyone. Everyone, it's up to Po. If he doesn't give the fucking emoji, no trade. That's it. There you go. So to clarify, why did I use this as my stop loss and not what Po was indicating to use 28063? The simple thought process in my head was how we inverted these 15-second candles. So when you're looking at these shorter term time frames, right, your brain should be fucking working. You have to look at everything. You have to be like, what's happening here, what's happening here, what's happening here. Okay, this is the internal range liquidity that I was looking at. Okay, fuck you, I'm going to explain later. Okay, what do I want to see here? Okay, no, I'm not going to take a short. I think it's going higher. So yeah, let's go back to 15 seconds. The market's going higher. That's what I feel. I might be completely wrong. But yeah, so what I was looking at is that there was this internal range liquidity right over here, right? Once that liquidity was gone, and once that liquidity was swept, right, we straight away had a reaction to push the price above and do a change in state of delivery on 15 seconds. Now, what will disqualify a trade that I take on change in state of delivery on these? It will be these lows. You would not want market to come back to these lows. Every time a person trades, okay, so remember this, right? Every time someone takes a trade and they put their stop loss, from a perspective of, oh, this is where I will be safe. I don't think like that. My thought process when I'm using a stop loss, well, I use stop loss every time, but when I'm putting my stop loss, is very, very simple. Where will I get invalidated? I don't care whether it's a stop loss hit and I lose money or I win money. My thought process is, this is the idea that I'm trying to play. Where does that idea gets invalidated? The idea does not get invalidated over here. The idea gets invalidated over here. So that's why I use that as my stop loss. Right? You have to think whenever you are putting on a trade, your thought process should not be that, oh, I'll put my stop loss at such a place where I don't get stopped out. No, your brain should tell you, where will this idea that you are building get invalidated? So yeah, that's why I agree, but this for me is too idle. Often price just sweeps and quickly rushes higher. Well, but that is the goal, Po. Price sweeping and quickly rushing higher. In the mentorship, when we were discussing liquidity to liquidity moves, what did we discuss? Where is this market trading into? What is this area? This is the OTE of this small impulse move up, right? This is the OTE of that move up. Now, if I have done an OTE test and I've shown that commitment to push higher, I really don't want price to go below that last touch, because this is the higher low that has been created. And then the market rushes higher, creating another higher low, rushes higher to the external range liquidity of that 15-second impulse. So all the concepts that we study, it kind of follows through in the, no matter the time frame you are on. If you will see, the market in such shapes. I don't have to put these things, because my brain is already recording that, okay, I have come into the OT, okay, I have given this sort of displacement. I am already processing that in my head, what is happening and how it is supposed to happen. So, and obviously I don't expect you to go down to 15-second time frame and start trading, because that's not for you. Your way of trading is very, very different from mine. But at the end, the moral of the story is that you're reading price action and you're like, okay, this is what's happened, this is what should happen. Like right now, when I'm looking at this chart, I'm basically looking and thinking, can I please short here? Like my brain is already planning a trade over here where I'll put my stops above this candle, this one, and I want to go short, and I want to go short till here, but I will not. I'll tell you the reason why I will not take this trade, but this is what my brain is telling me already, that this is what you need to do. Why I want to take that trade? So shoulder, head, shoulder. I don't know if you saw that, but my brain is like, I don't know, coded or whatever word it is, that I start seeing things. So this is the shoulder, this is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the order block, this is where I expect the rejection to happen. Maximum upwards, the price should go to this to do a turtle soup. So my stop loss should be above that, and I can take a short position. And if you will believe it or not, and I was saying this low, right? Out of nowhere, I said this low. If you will measure this and you will put it below, you will take this liquidity. So my brain, my trading brain works in that manner where I start seeing things as they are building up. So it's very, very easy for me to trade lower time frames, because I'm already planning to next trade. What am I going to do next? What is my next trade? So that is the whole way, that is the way my brain works. So yeah, just putting it out there. This is not a hidden talent. It's a lot of hard work that has gone into building my brain to react like that. Ooh, what happened? Oh, it's 4 a.m. Oh, sorry, 4 hourly candle open. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. I mean, I the reason I said I'm not taking this trade now is because of that 4 hourly closure. So you know that 4 hourly is closing, you know market can get volatile and it could just pip you out and go down. So there you go. Missed trade, another missed trade. I think we all should start. You guys should stop following me. Don't subscribe to me. I'm fucking shit. Like this would have been 1 hour with a stop loss now somewhere over here. Fuck me. Why didn't I take it? Oh, it's okay. I'll go cry somewhere else. But yeah, tell me about it. How's everything else? 33 people, only poke comments. Nobody else challenges me. And 10 people on Twitter. Can you just move to YouTube, guys? Come on, please. I want to see who you are. I want to talk to you. Took the shot, 28,101. Oh my god, like fucking entry, broski. Yeah, fuck the news. HM, the thing is, news does not dictate the market. The market has already made plans, right? The market already has made plans. Like I would be thinking of closing my short position right here now. So the moment this candle closes, my short position should close, right? If it closes above this, above these, if it closes, short position closes, and I'm taking a long straight from here, again targeting that 200% area, which was coming from that 5-minute candles. So you take a TP or whatever, you basically get stopped out, and now you're looking for a long position straight away. You should be thinking of long position to 200% area straight away, and I'll tell you why now. Okay, why would I basically be like, okay, I'm gonna go into a long position straight away? There is only a very, very simple reason, and now TP on this one as well, by the way. The only smallest of single small reason is because, first of all, this was the head and shoulder, right? This was the fair value gap. Now you have broken below that with power, leaving a fucking bearish order flow on 15 seconds. You come for a retest and then you invert that fair value gap. start showing strength around. The moment you close above, you take a position and you aim for the head. That's your first target. And then you aim for the external range liquidity. That's about it. About the 4-hourly closing, I know I don't even know what news is, lol, just market, that's it. Yeah, I know. About the 4-hourly closing, this prevents you to take any new trade, or just, it was because I'm on 15 seconds. Danny, there's no other reason. I don't care about news. I don't care about the time. It's more about that I'm kind of sitting on 15 seconds and I'm trying to make a trade on 15 seconds, and volatility injection into a 15-second chart with my stop loss being 16 points, I'll be stopped out most of the time. So that's why. Otherwise, if I was on minute 1 or minute 2, I wouldn't have cared. And if I would have gotten an opportunity, I would have taken it. But since it is 15 seconds, there's a lot of fucking around that happens. And I trade 15 seconds a lot more than I trade higher time frames. It's because, I think today was the perfect day for me to show why I trade 15 seconds more than other time frames. For me, I can read the charts quickly. I know what I'm doing, so it's easier for me. Well, with that, where are we ending the date? 519 in profit, 2146 up on the account. I think that was not a bad day. That was a good day overall. I think we can call it a day now. We can relax, we can chill, and we will have more discussions tomorrow. We are still live tomorrow, so I will see you tomorrow, everyone. And I still love you. And Po, you are my best friend forever. I learn a lot from Po, by the way, guys. He's incredibly resilient guy. I just love him. One day I can tell you, this guy will be posting payouts after payouts after payouts. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. One day Po will have his Lambo, and trust me, I know him this much. His Lambo is not going to be red, yellow, or black. He's going to buy a fucking white Lambo. A white Lambo, and he'll sit inside of it with his beautiful bald head, some coconut oil on top, and he'll just be dashing. Okay, that's enough. Lovely. See ya. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you for taking our time to come to our stream. New people, please subscribe, please like, please share, and old people, fuck you.